some fun here at Rusnak BMW at their Cars and Coffee. We're going to go over some of the personalized plates. So let's start with this one. One clean M5. Let's walk over here and see the next one. So here I'm assuming we have a Lakers fan. And here we have an M4, so a F82 GTS. And let's see, TS pops. Maybe the exhaust pops a lot. Don't know about this one. And here's an M3 Phoenix F80, so maybe that's the color orange. And here we have a 2002, so squarey. And this one, we'll go to the front and see the plate on this one. And here we have a E10 BMW. I'm not sure what this one is. Not a real plate, but it is good, will run. And here we have a E30 M3, GOAT M3, greatest of all time M series. Okay, now here's an M3, silver STN. I'm not sure what that one stands for, so let me know in the comments what you think. And free for PS. Not sure on that one either. Might not be able to hear me on this one because of the music, but here we have a slow M3. Here we have a BMW M4 KB. I'm not sure what that one's referring to. Here's an M3, so whoa, M3. That one's pretty good. Don't know what this one stands for. So here we have Peak M3. Too cozy. That's nice. Here we have Low Key M3, which looking at this car, it's definitely not low key. M Power, maybe?